In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove items from cart on Ubisoft. If you wanted to make any purchase on Ubisoft for any game, but you wish to go ahead and remove them from your cart, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing, you need to access the items you added to cart, and you can do so by just going to your account and tapping on store here. Now, if you tap on this, you should be able to see a cart icon here. Tap on it to list all the items that you added to cart. As you can see, I have 2 of them. Now from here, if you wish to remove any of them, go ahead and just tap on remove next to it and it will be removed. As you can see, now I have 1 item remaining. To remove it and leave the cart empty, I'll also go ahead and remove this item. And by tapping on remove, now my shopping cart is empty. So that's how you can remove items from cart on Ubisoft. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.